Yeah, don't kill it.
Well, pick it up then.
I will. Just finish.
It's gonna kill me.
It's not a red ant. It's not gonna kill you.
I'll kill it. Stop moving.
I'm not moving.
No, you do it. You do it. You do it. I don't want to mess it up. No, no, no. It started moving.
Okay, I'm sure you guys remember from one of the previous videos seeing the F150 XLT sitting in the driveway. Hasn't been running for a while. This was my grandpa's truck and it was left to me after he passed away. We're trying to get some work done on it today. Gabby just put in the fuel cell here in the back, the fuel tank in the back. So we got a new fuel pump for it. It's sitting over there. It's a Spectra. We got it from XL Parts. I used to work there, so I got a pretty good deal on it. We're gonna drop that in here and see if we can get this thing to fire up. The other thing that we got is the oil pan has a bit of a leak when we were driving it back from Illinois. It was, anytime you got up a hill, it'd start to leak out the back and pour all over the place. So we're hoping that doesn't happen. We towed it out of here with the RTR F150. So let's get to work on this, see what we can do. I hit up Drew and told him what we're doing today. He says he's got nothing going on, so we'll see if maybe we can get a special guest appearance, but who knows. So we just need to tighten these bolts up. I already got that one over there. So just put that on here. I think that's an 8. Yeah, that's an 8. Yeah, that's fine. That's what I need.
Family requested that they were going to help me out the best that they can, and they did. Optimus stopped the IRS. No more telephone calls.
No, you want to keep it on there when you're, because this is just saying that's the way we don't need to connect it. This is the way we need to connect it. Get used to that. I've lost so many knuckles working on cars. Go ahead and open it up. It should be here at the front. Alrighty, here's our new fuel pump. So hopefully we got the right one. There's a few different options for this truck, but we needed the rear mount after axle. I believe it was 18 gallons. So we got our float here, have our new filter, our rings, our attachments. So everything should be good. Let's just see if we can drop this in here. Hopefully this is the right one. Looks like it. Ooh, this might not be the right one. Wait, nope. There we go. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Nope. We'll just cut that out. Okay, so as you can see, this connector here isn't the same as this original connector here, but this original connector is kind of tore up. So what they do is they send you this, so you can splice that into your original harness and then connect it that way. So what we're gonna do is make some clips on this and splice that in. I'm gonna disconnect this fairly far back, that way in case for any reason that needs to go back on for any reason, we can do it. Okay, and she's free. Okay, so I got the connectors on, and I thought I had a heat shrink, but I did not. We tried my connectors because these connectors here just weren't fitting right. But we're gonna run to AutoZone real quick and grab some heat shrink. Gabby's taking us. Okay, so we visited our friends at AutoZone, and we now have our heat shrink tubing. We're gonna head back over to the house, put this on, finish up the wiring, harness for the fuel pump, and then make sure that it kicks on after we charge the battery, because it has been sitting for way too long. And then we'll move on to hopefully the oil pan today, but we'll see. So on the new harness we have gray and purple, but on this one we have orange and yellow blue. So we just need to make sure that we're connecting the right ones. The instructions say red gray, which would be this, goes to pink black or brown white or red, which we don't have that color. Purple, which is this, goes to yellow white or yellow blue or blue yellow. We do have that. So now we know that this goes to the purple.
That's great.
And make sure that you don't put it in the gray like this. Make sure you put it in the purple. I was just trying to show them. Shh. Okay, so there's two different ways that we can do this heat shrink. We've already done a couple, but you can use a hair dryer, like this fancy one that we have here from Gabby. All right, so there's that, which takes a little bit longer than if you grab the lighter, but you gotta be careful with the lighter and make sure you keep it moving, because otherwise you'll just burn through your stuff. We do have a heat gun around here somewhere. I'm not exactly sure where it is, but those usually work pretty fast too. All right, there we go. We couldn't get it to kick on. We were doing some research and Gabby saw that sometimes, according to the manual that they give you with this, or the little piece of paper, that the wiring diagram isn't always correct. So we found a correct one. She wrote down what we need to do to rewire this. So we're gonna get in here, rewire all of that, and see if we can get this thing to fire up. Okay, so we got everything wired back up. The fuel pump does kick on now. So Gabby and I are now going to put this gas in here and see if we can get it to fire up. The engine turns over, but I checked the fuel rail and it's not getting any fuel, so keeping our fingers crossed that this was just that we didn't have enough gas in the fuel tank. What's with the crappy look? That's right. Crank up. My guess is no, but we'll see. Fuel pump on. We got a quarter tank of gas. It should be firing.
It's like almost there.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. This is the first time it's been running in a while. It's the first time it's been running in a while.
Baby
Go,
girl.
go ahead, start it up again. All this trying I was doing, and Gabby got her to run. Give it a little bit of gas. Just kind of rev it a little bit.
Ooh, baby girl, that's not good.
No, she doesn't, but it's okay. Oh yeah!
See, and I
Ew. Smile for the camera. Maybe I do need a new air filter.
Oh, she's too nasty. Do I hear an AutoZone run?
It might be. Oh,
Can we go?
maybe here in a little bit. All right, let's just see how long she'll stay running.
I said we go enter.
That's what he
Wait,
said.
that don't sound right. Yeah.
Running. Gonna need a new air filter. Gotta put some air in these tires. These ones here in the back are low,
Did you
but
see the back one?
yeah, it's low. But these are new tires because the last time we drove this, they blew out on us in the middle of, what was it, Illinois?
No, I think it's like Oklahoma.
No, this was in Illinois. This was early on in the trip.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
near
And then Mom was
Springfield.
like, you can't ride with them anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was like putting my daughter in.
Eh.
And I was like, I want to ride with the truck. I left the keys here. It'll be fine.
I would bring them with just in case. I forgot I have this bag on the front.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, well, that's fine. All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. Woo! Girl.
You got the whole license plate right here. That is so busted crusted.
It happens. All right, let's get these windows down.
I need to turn it on first off.
Yep. Let's hope these seatbelts work.
Oh, a little rough, but
Yeah, she's a little dirty, but I mean, it's not bad. I've seen worse. Starts on the first try. That's good, right? Put it in the other one. That's overdrive. We won't really be going fast enough to need overdrive, but there you go.
I thought that was an O.
Nope.
Okay, let me know if I'm about to hit your car.
No, you got plenty of room. Ooh, girl, it ain't speed racer going down now.
But like the brake is a lot higher than like it's not like level like with the gas.
Yeah. How does it feel?
The gas is pretty weird.
Yeah, but the thing doesn't feel like it's wanting to die or nothing. Easy there. Easy.
I want someone to come through.
You got this 5.0 underneath your feet.
Wow.
Oh, here's the fuzz too. We're
Oh.
definitely in trouble now.
Ooh.
The cops.
Oh. It's the Maiden voyage. They'll be fine.
We better hope so.
I hope they tell me something.
Don't go all the way out there to them.
Well, I'm turning. Do you hear every single time I turn it goes, ah.
It probably needs power steering fluid. Okay, so we got the fuel pump done on this. Cover it up so no rain gets in. We still need to get the truck bed, which I'm looking for one of those. I'll probably just end up buying a wrecked truck or a busted up truck for like 500 bucks and put it on there. It's easier than finding a bed by itself. And we might do something with the exhaust. Bumpers need to get fixed, and then but more pressing is getting the oil pan fixed and then getting a bed for it. Gabby's car is done, so we don't have anything else to do with that. We'll have some stuff coming up with this. Still working on getting the engine and trans for the Mini, so we'll have stuff coming for that soon. We'll probably wait on the drift car until it gets a little bit cooler. Drift season is pretty much over, and I don't feel like being out here sweating my butt off tearing this whole thing apart. So probably next, just oil pan on that. We need to get just a battery for this and then just do a tune-up. But like I said, I'm probably going to be getting rid of that. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see us work on next. I know a lot of people have been asking for some videos about the Mini through Instagram and Facebook. A bunch of people want to see a little bit more with the drift car. So definitely we got stuff coming up with these two, and got to figure out what we're doing with this thing. But you guys really don't know what's going on with this. But maybe I'll do an update about that later. All right, peace. So we're jacking with Gabby right now. I do think that... I don't know how she hasn't seen us here in the window, right, Gallardo? But she keeps like starting the car, and when she shuts the door, I set it off.